Hey guys, let's learn how to do the Doughie today. So in this one, we're going to take our leg out, bring it together, take our leg out, bring it together. But the third time, we're going to take our leg out and just bring it back in. Fourth time, we again go out, together. Let's try it the other side. We take our leg out, bring it together, take the other leg out, bring it together. Third time, step out, come back in and out, together. So we can also try to teach it in a different way. We can try going like out, together, oh, no, and out, together, oh, no, and out, together. So now let's try it on music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try a variation of this one. Now that you know the steps, we can try moving our upper body and our hands. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.